What's going on, people? Welcome back to Jamaica Alpha Space. Blessing to you, blessing to your family. Remember to leave a like. Remember to subscribe. Remember to leave a comment if you so please. All right, so a little bit of a history lesson here. I really, really love this one. I think you like it. All right. So I'm going to teach you how to tell someone to hurry it up in Jamaican, right? Or be quick about it, right? That would be the English translation. In Jamaica, instead of saying hurry up, we would say Micase, right? So hurry up, equivalent patois, Micase. That is coming from the English translation of make haste, right? So remember, I told you Jamaican patois is a combination of English and the forefather language. It's an African mother tongue, right? So that English translation, make haste, equivalent, Micase.